What is good, YouTube fam? It's your boy H-Town Sean.
And your girl Shay.
And we're back with another video. Guys, as you can see, today it's such a beautiful day outside.
Yeah,
it's about 80 degrees. It's not a cloud in the sky today, guys. So today, we're gonna ride the jet skis, guys. We pulled out the GTX 300s and we're about to get on the water today. So we're at a park called Alexander Deucin Park. It's on the northeast side of Houston. Like
right off Lake Houston.
Yeah, like close to Humble, Texas. So yeah, guys, today, you're gonna be rocking with us today, guys.
Yeah.
We're just gonna explore this lake. Super beautiful.
Yeah.
It's such a big lake. It's deep as I don't know what. So, you know, it's gonna be a little sketchy at times. But
well, we're about to go out here and see what they have on the water. Hopefully we can see some nice scenery and hopefully we can catch a, I don't know, they have restaurants off here. Maybe we'll pass up on one.
Yeah, a couple bird islands and stuff like that, guys. So man, it should be an interesting day, guys. So, you know, we're gonna get right into the video, guys. So if you're watching right now, go ahead and
like this video, share this video, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so you know each and every time we drop a new video. Ride with the mob.
Ride with the mob, guys. About to get this started. Stay tuned. Check out the wetsuits, y'all.
Yeah,
they finally came in.
Yeah,
they Cressy Maya, yeah.
Male, whatever it's called.
And then we pulled out the GTXs, man. Yeah. They kind of dirty right now, y'all, because last time I rode them, I didn't have a chance to wash them before I put them up, but it's cool.
Check Sean out, y'all.
Yeah, the wetsuit, man.
Yeah, he put his pants on top of his because he said he ain't finna go out like that.
Yeah, I'm trying to look like a fisherman today, man. So got my wetsuit, looking like a dolphin. Yeah, man, we about to get to this water sports right now.
Yeah.
Just putting the boats out the water.
Oh, they is. Look, they got the pontoon. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. Okay, guys, we now on the water. And man, it's a bit choppy. It started off more choppy than this. There's a lot of people out here on boats, but check out these nice homes on the water. That's how I want to be one day. Yeah. I wonder if this used to be a dock or something. A lot of movement. Beautiful homes. They all have their own boat docks. Yeah. Check out Sean over there. Sean, say what's up to the vlog.
What's up, everybody?
Yeah.
Having fun in the sun.
Yeah.
Loving it. I might jump into the lake for y'all.
No.
Yeah. The lake, babe?
Oh, nah, not today. Not today.
I'm gonna jump in.
No. Don't slip.
Nah, I'm just playing.
Yeah, I know you playing. Look on your dash to see what's the temperature. Maybe, if not an alligator, a big catfish.
If I hop in the water.
Yeah. Oh wow, Sean really got in the water, y'all. It's cold.
It ain't too cold. It feel good on a day like this.
Nah, I'm good, guys. Y'all ain't finna see Shay jump in the water. Unless it's a pool.
Hey, it's 27 feet.
Y'all heard me, guys? It's 27 feet right here where we at. And I think the deepest is, what's the deepest over here? 84 feet?
Nah, this Lake Conroe.
Oh, Lake Conroe's 84 feet. Yeah, okay, the deepest here is like 40 feet. There's other people out here on their jet skis. But if it ain't a sea-doo, I don't know what to say. these little bird islands. Yeah, there's another bird island right behind us. Yeah, it is. Look at the bridge.
We enjoying our day out here, man.
Man, you look like you're on a commercial. You finna hit me.
I look like I'm on a commercial.
Yeah, you look like you're on a commercial. A Sea-Doo commercial, y'all. Hey, Sea-Doo, if you hear this, we down for a commercial.
I know, huh?
Come sponsor. Yeah. You gonna fall off.
It's only 11 feet right here.
11 feet. That's taller than me. I'm only 5 feet. But yeah.
In between 11 feet and 12 feet.
Yeah.
Perfect day out here, huh?
Yeah, it is. Beautiful day. I know. All we need is, yeah, the kids can't even come out here and enjoy themselves like we can.
Yeah, they got a ride on the back.
Mm-hmm. Now we by Lake Houston Parkway. Yeah. Hey, I grew up over here, y'all. Before they had put all this on this boardwalk. They didn't even have a boardwalk or those apartments back then.
The boat docks on.
I don't know, is it a boat dock? I mean, that's a boat dock, but I don't think they have a jet ski dock. If you want to pull up over there, we can. If you want to pull up over there, we can. Everybody on their nice boats. I don't know.
Camera function good?
I guess I'm just going with the flow. Is that a Coast Guard? No. Hey, don't come tripping with us. But yeah, guys, everybody enjoying their Saturday. Hope you guys are too. Check them out. They're about to go wakeboarding. Hey, that's exactly why we want a boat. The kids are love that getting pulled on the back.
Hey y'all, look what we just stumbled up on.
Man,
we just chilling, y'all, and a dead catfish.
Hey y'all, we want to go fishing, but not like this. Oh man, if we smell something, we was like, what is that? That bad
boy huge too though.
Yeah,
that's a big
man.
catfish, y'all.
Hey, it's way bigger catfish in here then.
We should use them for bait. Go fishing.
Nah, that is not. That's dead.
In the middle of the lake, y'all, just chilling.
Yep.
Yeah, man. It's the life right here. Let's see how deep it is, y'all. 22 feet right here. And we just chilling, man. Yeah.
That's fun.
Soon to come.
Yeah, it's on our list.
Yeah. All right, now we on to the next location. here. Super dust off right here. I like it. Boat docked up there, and they got 2 boats. Look at that nice home over there, y'all. Super beautiful. Nice lake home. Chill, man. Everybody out here having fun. Boat. Lake Houston now. And they got a boat and 2 jet skis too. I'm living out chill. Are they canoeing? Yeah, it's like they canoeing in the middle of the lake. Canoe fishing. I'm getting hungry, man. I'm contemplating going to a little restaurant or something on the lake. That'll be cool today. Maybe so. Let's see what they got going. They're having fun. Found some more nice cribs. Everybody got them some jet skis. Over here, 2 skis, boat. Then they got a lift for it. See, they over here wakeboarding, y'all. Can't wait for that. Check them out, man. It's a little kid, too. I know. Then they over there partying by 12 people on the boat. Oh yeah. See that waterfall?
Man, that's trees right there.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was saying. Alright, y'all. This is the end point for the day. This is the farthest we're gonna go. We're gonna turn around from here. For people that know the Houston area, that's Highway 59 by Kingwood, close to Deerbrook Mall. So we came all the way from Dewson Park all the way to 59. That's a good, probably like 20 miles, maybe even 30. But yeah, guys, I'm about to get y'all some drone footage and we're gonna turn around, go back to the dock.
Okay, guys, Sean is getting footage with the drone on the lake. Look what we do to get good footage for y'all.
And this the drone that they fixed too, y'all.
Yeah, that's the drone that we crashed. Oh, well, it got ran over in our Dallas vlog. If you ain't seen it, y'all go back and check it out. Yeah.
They fixed this bad boy pretty good though.
Yeah.
In front.
So what you gotta do?
This gonna be my first time peeing in the water, y'all. Gotta pee. I can't wait. It's 11 feet deep right here, so let's check it out, y'all. You gotta get used to this. Ooh.
Is it cold?
Nah, hell nah. It's only 70 degrees today.
Oh goodness.
The gator!
Oh, I thought your feet was the gator. I was looking behind you. Oh, goodness.
I need to be quiet for my ass really get me by God.
I know. Now you finna be wet.
It's like a boat. I don't care about being wet. It ain't gonna hurt if I do. I just don't wanna get my hair wet. Island over here, y'all. Everybody over there beached, chilling. Oh yeah.
That's fun right there.
We're gonna have to do that next time. Or when we bring the kids.
Yeah, I know the kids will enjoy it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they
It's
will.
like your own private island.
Yeah, it is. For real. But chill, y'all.
On this beautiful day, everybody enjoying this beautiful Saturday. Clear.
Blue skies.
Yeah.
White sand. But chill, man. Now we about to head back to the shore. Put these bad boys back on the trailer. Go get us something to eat. What we eating, Shay?
I don't know. They got a Culver's around here.
Culver's?
I don't know.
Hey.
Culver's somewhere around here.
Culver's sound good though.
It'll be nice to pull up at a restaurant on a jet ski.
I know, huh? We're gonna say that for next time.
Yeah.
That's the next vlog, boo.
Yeah, because it's already late.
Yup. He trying to show out, y'all. Stunting on us. Check him out.
Hey, they ain't no seafood.
I know. That's a Kawasaki or a Yamaha.
All the way from Newsom Park all the way to 59, 69.
Yeah, I like Lake Houston now, man. Last time we came, it was too choppy. It wasn't good enough to vlog, but man, today, it was like a good experience. I can't lie, you know?
Okay, guys, we just made it back to the dock and loaded them up. Nice Sea-Doo 300. Yeah, we think we lost the GoPro, y'all. We got so much footage. Hopefully we didn't. But yeah, I'm real disappointed. Sean fell in the water, and that sucks because we had a lot of footage. Yeah, we're gonna have to buy another one. check out those sea-doos right there. Well, hopefully we find it.
Guys, we're back at home now after a beautiful day at the lake, guys. Yes, it was exhausting, and I'm depressed now, guys, because I lost my GoPro.
Yes,
I'm so salty right now, man.
We had so much footage, and it was beautiful footage.
Man, it was such a clear day, guys. Like, the footage was amazing, man. So now I got to get another GoPro, guys. Hopefully, I have another GoPro with some footage on there by the time this vlog come out. If it don't, guys, I'm sorry. I couldn't get y'all no GoPro footage. Like, I fell off the dock at the end. Like, we was literally at the end, guys, and I was docking my jet ski to go get my truck and back the trailer in the water. And I fell off the dock, guys. And I didn't even think about my GoPro was on my head. So when I got out the water, I didn't even feel for it. So I got to my truck, and I was driving back to the dock. And I felt my head. I was like, man, where my GoPro at? By that time, it had sank, guys. We stayed out there for like an extra hour looking for it.
And someone tried to help us by using the net.
Yeah, this guy gave me the net from his boat, and I fished for it, and I still didn't find it, guys. So I'm sorry. But anyway, guys, if you made it to this part of the video, go ahead and
like this video, share this video, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so you know every time we drop a new video. Ride with the mob.
Ride with the mob. Road to 10,000 subscribers, guys. We'll be there soon. But without further ado, we appreciate you for rocking with us, and we'll see you on the next vlog. Peace.